Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on how to install Tuna on macOS. First things first, here's the forum post. We're just going to click on Go to Download, which takes us to the GitHub page. Then down here, there's the Mac zip file. You just click on that and download it. Then just going to copy this onto my desktop. And we need a terminal, so just open that, cd into the folder, so on the desktop, and then Tuna. And then you're just going to run install mac.sh. Just let it run. It will check for brew. You will need the brew package manager, and then it will install two packages, and it will ask you to delete the existing plugin. Just say yes, and after that you can just open up OBS and then check in the tools menu on the Tuna settings. If it's there, everything went right. If not, go into help and then copy the log file and give that to me so I can take a look at it. And that's it.